So how to log into deriv step by step. How to log into deriv step by step. Just click login. That is if you have your registered account. And then you are waiting for the deriv to open up. Then when it opens, go to the back office. Go to the back office. That is on the menu. That is it. Click on the deriv trader. And then you see the different platforms that you are supposed to trade on. So we have already logged in. This is an account created for the purposes of creating this video. So when you when you click on the demo account, the balance of US dollar you can see there. When you click there, this is where you can switch in between the real account and the demo account. So we stick to the demo account because it's for illustration. So when you open up on deriv trader, we say deriv trader is whereby you can do analysis and you can trade manually. But I want to showcase this video directly when you want to open the deriv bot platform and upload your robot. So switch from deriv trader to deriv bot. Click deriv bot platform. Then that's how it will open. So that's how it will open. And as you can see, this is the dashboard. We have the bot builder, and we have the charts and tutorials. So tutorials will help you to know how to load your bot more, or better. So on the dashboard, click on the local when you want to load in your bot, meaning that you have already purchased your robot, which is a strategy. We said a robot is a strategy, is a trading strategy capturing your strategy of trading, the way you want your trade to execute trades, the you want your robot to execute trades. That is it. So you click on local, and then it will take you to the files. When it goes to the files, remember this is on your phone. Then you just need to go direct and upload one of your beautiful or good robots. So I will upload this robot, the dollar printer created by me. It's an updated one, and the moment you upload it, just switch to bot builder. When you switch to from dashboard to bot builder, then you'll be able to see the bot right there. It has already uploaded, and this is the bot. So you can make more adjustments of this robot, meaning settings, because that is what you need to do next, assuming that you want to trade. So this video was basically on how to load the bot and to see it right there so that you can set it up for trading. So let's meet up for the next video on how to trade from there.